Traders, good afternoon. August 7, 2018. After market close, it's a Tuesday. Going to report on Bit Frontier Capital Holdings, ticker symbol BFCH. I posted prior to this tutorial about BFCH, just providing a follow-up. Stated that they're in the process of removing 12 billion shares. News came out that they actually teamed up with a company to actually remove 12 plus billion shares. As you can see, fighting the tape, still same area, around 0.005 to about 0.0071. That's the support and resistance area. We'll see what happens moving tomorrow. Look a little sketchy over here in general, but we know about a half a penny, maybe a couple of ticks below that is support. Every time it hit those levels, it would just go right up. Traded roughly 3.5 million shares, about 3.3 million shares. Some good volume today. We'd like to see more on the upside with this volume, but it seems like individuals that have been in this trade for a while looking to just get out, and other individuals are getting in. We'll see what happens moving forward. This is a pretty exciting play if you can be patient, and you know, those fives hold right there, that half a penny mark, and they do reduce those 12 billion shares. We could see nice numbers. Might be a good you know, position trade or buy and hold for a month to 6 months. I think it's going to be within 3 months. But let's wait and see what happens. Remember, you can follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. Visit my site, thetradingteacher.com, for upcoming live trading courses. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel.